Been a long time since I did a video. What you see on the table in front of me is my current minimum kit. This thing goes with me everywhere. I go out into the bush, out for a drive, anywhere outside of town. This is the first bag I grab as an absolute minimum. Into the quad, machine, whatever, snowmobile. You can see the upper left are the Pathfinder. I'll put all the details in the description. But you can see the Pathfinder containers, buck knife. There's some cotton wrapped up in the handle in the upper middle. And I've got Gorilla Tape. I've also got electrical tape. There's nano cord, hair ties, and a flint tied to the bag. And then below that, this here is a Realtree Edge poncho. This is a knife battery pack. This is a tap here to tie onto a water supply if you need it. This unit goes together. It's a sewing needle with more tuck tape, nail clippers, obviously, a good wood saw for hand sawing wood, 3 sources of ignition, combustion, matches, 2 different lighters, a Bic lighter and a flint type lighter, bank line that's rolled up on a carpenter's pencil, USB cord because this is also a battery pack up here. This is Vaseline soaked cotton, so that very easy to take a spark if that's all you got left. Spare pair of socks, brass wire for snaring, emergency poncho, and compass. Like I said, this is so if things go completely pear-shaped, I can at least get started.